Hello, friends, and welcome to the Diwali special episode of Travel Tech. The Festival of Lights is here, and what best way to celebrate the Festival of Lights than have some lights in our car as well? And I'm referring to none other than our Digipad. So it's time the Festival of Lights also came to our cars and our Digipad, and I hope you like this lighted version of Digipad for this Diwali, and I think you should go ahead and get this. This is one of the most beautiful and nicely animated live wallpapers for the Digipad called as the Light Grid, and this will light up your Digipad on this Festival of Lights for this Diwali, and it's going to bring you the much necessary change and the festive mood to the car. So it is one of the finest live wallpapers which I have been using for some time for now, and I was using it in my smartphone previously when I had my older smartphones, and somehow I was able to source the APK file of this, and I was able to bring it to the Digipad, and I'm bringing it in front of you today because it's Diwali this weekend, and I hope you all celebrate the Diwali very well, and I want you to celebrate the Diwali in your car as well, especially in your Digipad, and make your Digipad light up with different colors whichever you like, and make this festival of light even more special. So this is the wallpaper as you're looking at it. It looks really nice, it looks really wonderful, and especially this blue and black combination, it blends well with our dashboard of blue and black combination. So as you can see, it looks really nice, it blends really well, and the good thing about this live wallpaper is that you can customize these colors. You can change them to any color you want, the background color, the foreground color. You can set up to 4 maximum different types of colors, and you can change the animation, you can change the size of the cube and everything. So it has a lot of customization options. So let me just go ahead and show you just one of those customization options so that you can get to know and have a better idea of how this live wallpaper works. So when you click on the settings button, so as you can see on the menu right now, there is an option for the color, shape, animation, touch, speed, theme manager, randomize, screenshot, and so many more options. So let's just go ahead and go into the color thing. So background color, I hope you guys will always set a background color as black, because black as the background color makes all the other colors look very nice, and all the other colors start to pop out when you have set the black as the background color. So make sure you set the background color as black, and the rest of the other colors you can select according to your wish. So right now the first color has been selected as blue. So if you just click on that, it will open up a new dialog box wherein you can set the standard colors right here: black, white, blue, cyan, green, magenta, orange, and pink. So let me just go ahead and select orange for now, and as you can see, the screen is lighted up with orange. So just click on OK, and let's just go back and show you how the display looks. So this is the orange color with a black background, and this is looking much nice and much soothing and relaxing to the eyes. In a similar way, you can set various colors, and let me just select a second color along with it, so that you just have to click on this use this color checkbox right here. So if we just take the green here, so if I'll just click on OK and go back, so now as you can see, the orange and the green are mixed up a bit, and let's try to get the tricolor here of our Indian flag, and turn the black background to a white if possible, and that will make it look like the tricolor of our Indian flag. So now I have selected the white color right now as a background, and as you can see, the background has turned white, and there's an orange color and there's a green color. So in this way, there are various customization options. You can select up to 4 colors, and of course you can select a background color, and however you like, you can change the color settings and everything else of this app. So the color frequency is how fast or how slowly the color frequency should change. You can adjust that along with this bar as also, and that is very nice. And the next thing you can do is you can sync to battery, but since there is no battery in this, you don't have to do that. So that is one good thing. So these are the colors. Now I'll just set the color back to the black color. So let's see, I'll select the first color as something else. Let's try some other color right now. Let's try a red color, or click on OK. I'll take out the second color. So let's just see how black and red looks like, and I think it's going to really look nice. Yes, as you can see, the black and red combination also looks really wonderful, really nice, and especially at night this is going to pop out really well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the set wallpaper button right now. So as you can see, the wallpaper has been set and the black red combination looks really wonderful. And as I had shown previously, you can set the black and blue combination as well. That suits well with the dashboard of our car. That looks really nice and very neat. And you can put this app, this live wallpaper in your digipad on this Diwali and make your digipad light up especially for the festival of lights. So this is a very special wallpaper and it looks very nice and very professional, clean look it has. So I think you should go ahead and get this for your digipad. It has a very casual appeal and a very relaxing appeal because of the small cubes moving around here and there once in a while in a direction, horizontal and vertical. That gives it a very soothing look to the eyes whenever you look at the digipad. And I don't think no other car will ever have this. This is only specially brought out for digipad 1, and even digipad 2 users won't be able to install this. So digipad 1 users can get this in their car, and only they will have this. No other car can ever have this kind of wallpaper on its setup. So this is the Diwali special episode, guys. This is the light grid wallpaper brought to you specially by Traveltech, and I hope you like this wallpaper. And if you appreciate the work that has gone down in bringing this wallpaper, bringing all the other apps as well for your digipad, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and also like this video and comment below how you found out this wallpaper to be and what is your favorite color combination. You can try posting that in the WhatsApp groups or else in the Facebook groups as well. So do post some photos, do post some photographs and also videos of your animation and the color combination which you are using. That will really help everyone else to see the versatility of this app, and also they might even try to get this for their digipad. So this was all regarding the features and the applicability of this wallpaper, of this light grid wallpaper. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to download and install this wallpaper in your digipad. Let's get started. So in order to download this app on your digipad, I strongly recommend you to go and find yourself a laptop or a computer and download the file on the computer or your laptop, whichever you're using, and then transfer it to the digipad using a pen drive. I strongly recommend you to do that because most of the users who are downloading directly on the digipad are facing some parsing issue. I don't want you to face any parsing issue or any download incomplete issue, and I want you guys to install this properly and see this visualization on your digipad, and I want you to enjoy it. So make sure, in order to make sure that the download happens properly and there is no parsing issue as well, just go ahead, find a laptop, find a computer or any device whichever you have access to, and download the file on the computer or your laptop, and then transfer that file to the digipad using a pen drive. So once you have inserted the pen drive in the digipad, just open up the ES file manager, access the pen drive and click on the downloaded file. So that will help you install the application in the digipad. But since not many of the users are not facing parse issue, and most of them are able to download it directly on the digipad and install it, which is a most easier way, I'll just show you how to download and install it on the digipad directly. So what you need to do is go to the Firefox browser in the digipad. So just open up the Firefox browser, click on the URL bar and type in the address which I'm going to show you. And that address is none other than bit.ly/2 followed by capital I and a small letter Z, then followed by number 5 capital B and followed by small letter G and a capital R. So this is a URL address. It's bit.ly/2 capital I small letter Z number 5 capital B small letter G and a capital R. So once you type in this address, just click on the go button and wait for the web page to load. So the Google Drive page opens up, and just make sure that it's written that Light Grid LWP by Traveltech. So once that is written and you have a download button right in the middle of the screen, so just click on the download button. Now you'll be facing a window which is going to ask you to complete the action using. So click on just once and wait for the download to begin. And as you can see, the download has completed already because it is a small file. So make sure that the download complete is written right here. So once it is completed, so just click on the download complete dialog box. So once you've clicked on the download complete dialog box, it is going to ask you to install the application. So just go ahead and press on the install button. So once it gets installed, just click on the open button. It is going to go directly into the live wallpaper section. So once you drag down, you'll see something called as light grid right here. So just click on the light grid, and as you can see, the wallpaper has opened in the digipad. Now you can go ahead and click on the settings and customize the wallpaper based on your needs and your color combination, the animation. You can choose everything according to however you want your digipad to look around in this Diwali, and especially choose a color which suits your mood, which suits your lighting of the house. So get this app for your digipad and make this Diwali glow even brighter, especially in your car, and make your digipad glow even further bright. So that's it, guys. I wish you a very happy Diwali this weekend. I hope you guys enjoy a lot. I hope you guys have a lot of fun. Have a nice day and have a great festival ahead. Thank you.